clean. For no HOA, guys, very clean. Look at it. Surprise. Everybody got their yard cut. The grass is clean. Property is up to date. That's what you like. That's what good in the community. And then you notice they got no street posts here, you know. Enjoy this video, guys. Steve Adventure in the house. Home renovation, part 1. So I'll show you guys a before and after with all the materials coming in, guys. Can't wait to enjoy this back porch hangout spot. This is where we're gonna do all the little high main cooking and chill out. Coming soon, guys. Guys, so we did a little demolition here again. Watch. Why? Because that little retired kitchen. Try this away. Wow. That is wow. Boy, it's a lot of work, but you know what? You give it up. You see this guy? Frying boyfriend from Alice from Guyana in my hand. Me and him will tackle this whole house, right? The last way to be there, we take it out. So we make it in the back. Doesn't make no sense either. We put them on the side here, in the corner. Moving as well is the entertainment section. The door is that why they put the door in the middle of the house. Space. It's a beautiful ceiling with a stupid so here remodeling day. Almost demolished. What's the man in the house there? David Partab. And these final floor, guys, on seal. Beautiful. One room down. This is one of the rooms we're tackling right now. See here, guys? Just finished painting the ceiling. This is the floor we're going to change. You're going to see before and after. This is my mom room. As the main man for the house. What's this? Yeah. Hot routine morning. What are we talking about? Very Walkman. Watch. You know what I mean? Got to have the pepper, boy. The real pepper.